Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into another great topic for anyone planning their future, and that's how to manage your retirement savings. So if you're looking to organize your finances and build a comfortable life in retirement, you're definitely in the right place. Managing your retirement savings effectively is essential for financial stability and peace of mind in your golden years. So let's break down some strategies to help you budget your finances well and ensure a comfortable retirement. First, start with a retirement plan. Determine how much you'll need to cover your living expenses, healthcare, leisure activities, and any other costs. Having a clear goal in mind will guide your saving strategy. Next, create a detailed budget. List all your income sources, such as pensions, Social Security, and investment returns, alongside your expected expenses. It's important to have a realistic view of your financial situation. Thirdly, prioritize your spending. Make sure essential expenses like housing, utilities, and food are covered first. Allocate funds for healthcare, and then set aside money for leisure and other non-essential activities. Reducing unnecessary expenses can free up more money for savings. So look for ways to cut back on discretionary spending without compromising your quality of life. Also, automate your savings. Set up automatic transfers to your retirement accounts to ensure you're consistently saving. This helps you stay disciplined and avoid the temptation to spend instead. Using financial tools can also make a big difference. Budgeting software can help you organize your finances, track your spending, and adjust your budget as needed. These tools provide a clear overview of your financial health and help you stay on track. Furthermore, regularly review and adjust your budget. Life changes, and so should your financial plan. Make it a habit to reassess your budget and savings goals to ensure they align with your current situation. Lastly, stay informed about your retirement accounts and any changes in the financial landscape. Being proactive and knowledgeable about your investments can help you make better decisions. By organizing your retirement savings through effective budgeting, you can build a comfortable and secure life in retirement. It's all about making smart financial choices and staying committed to your plan. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and remember to subscribe for more tips on managing your finances and preparing for retirement. See you next time.